news at this point of time. Nitish Kumar has reached Raj Bhavan and he is all set to stake claim to form the government. Nitish Kumar will be submitting his resignation to the governor, and along with Nitish Kumar, who will be the Chief Minister of Bihar, all major leaders of the NDA ally parties are also with him. To name some, Upendra Kushwaha, Chirag Paswan, Samrat Chaudhary, Vijay Sinha and Dilip Jaiswal have also reached Raj Bhavan with Nitish Kumar. As Nitish Kumar is all set to be sworn in tomorrow as the Chief Minister of Bihar. The new Bihar government will be sworn in tomorrow in the afternoon. But the news coming at this point of time is that Nitish Kumar has reached Raj Bhavan. My colleague Raman is now joining me live. Raman, how the preparations looking like? The oath-taking ceremony set to take place tomorrow, and at this point of time, Nitish Kumar has reached Raj Bhavan with all the major NDA leaders with him.
Yeah, absolutely. Nitish Kumar just arrived at Raj Bhavan for signing his resignation to the Bihar government, Arif Mohammad Khan, and along with Nitish Kumar, Chirag Paswan, Dilip Jaiswal and Upendra Kushwaha, all the top three big leaders of NDA alliance also reached Raj Bhavan along with Nitish Kumar, and Nitish Kumar will resign from the Chief Minister post today, and later on tomorrow Nitish Kumar will be going to sworn in as the Chief Minister of the state for the 10th consecutive times in Bihar, and along with Nitish Kumar, multiples of ministers also will sworn in tomorrow, and along with the ministers, there are sources are coming out that two deputy chief ministers from the BJP's quota will sworn in tomorrow along with Nitish Kumar. So major development is going on in Bihar, as well as the swearing in ceremony tomorrow in Gandhi Maidan. Around 1 to 2 lakh people will gather in the historic Gandhi Maidan. Also, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be the chief guest for the tomorrow's swearing in ceremony in Gandhi Maidan, and the chief ministers of NDA rule state will also join that historic ceremony program in Patna.
Right, Raman, absolutely. And Bihar CM designate Nitish Kumar, he has reached Raj Bhavan right now. Earlier, a short while ago, we saw how the NDA unanimously elected Nitish Kumar as the Chief Minister. Talk to us more about that, and how is the situation on the ground, how the preparations looking like with Nitish Kumar set to be sworn in as the Chief Minister tomorrow.
Yeah, preparation is very well in Bihar, and all the top leadership of the BJP and the JDU and the NDA alliance is totally boosted up by the number of majority which gets in the earlier election this year. 202 is the big numbers of the NDAs, where JDU is won around 84 seats and BJP had won 89 seats. So this is a big number for any government form in the states, and in front of the opposition, it's a big 202 number out of 243. So you can imagine how dominant NDA will be gonna in the upcoming 5 years. And if you see the body language of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, he totally looks fit and fine this time. He is interacting with the leaders, he is talking with the party workers, he is connecting with the MLAs who recently won and met Nitish Kumar yesterday morning in the CM house, CM residence, and he also elected as the NDA legislator leader.
Right, Raman, yes, of course, and of course the question on the Bihar government formation as well, and like you also mentioned, all the top leaders of NDA will be present there in Bihar tomorrow, from Prime Minister Modi to union ministers and chief ministers of BJP-led, BJP-ruled states will be there tomorrow in Bihar for the oath-taking ceremony of Nitish Kumar, who will take the reins of the state for a record 10th time. Raman, if you're still there with us, talk to us about the government formation there in the state of Bihar after the historic win of NDA and after the oath-taking ceremony of Nitish Kumar as well.
Yeah, if you'll see, the numbers of the minister is yet not finalized. It will be maybe finalized later tonight in today's night. But the numbers of ministers from the JDU side is around more than 10 minister is going to sworn in from the JDU side, around 9 to 10 ministers from the BJP side, and 3 from the LJP side and 1 each from the HUM and Ralospa. So these are the numbers which are coming out from our sources, that this is the number to form the Nitish Kumar's cabinet, and they are going to take sworn in tomorrow as along with Nitish Kumar. But some big names of like Samrat Chaudhary, Ashok Chaudhary and Dilip Jaiswal, the BJP state president, will also may take sworn in as the minister of the states.
Right, Raman, I was just wanted to expand that as well. But before we talk about the government formation of Bihar, we have some reactions coming in on this. Take a listen.
पार्टी को बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। पार्टी ने इतना बड़ा दायित्व दिया, लगातार पार्टी के द्वारा दायित्व दिया गया है जिससे बिहार का विकास किया जाए। हाँ, लगातार
जो ऐतिहासिक जीत जिस तरीके से एनडीए की हुई है और जिस तरीके से बिहार की जनता ने पूर्ण विश्वास एनडीए के ऊपर जताने का काम किया है, ऐसे में जितनी भव्य ये जीत है उतना ही भव्य कल हम लोग का शपथ ग्रहण समारोह होने जा रहा है। और मुझे खुशी है कि इसमें प्रधानमंत्री जी की भी मौजूदगी इसमें रहेगी। और मैं मानता हूं कि जितनी बड़ी ये जीत है उतना ही बड़ी जिम्मेदारी भी अब हम लोग के ऊपर है। जो बातें हम लोगों ने चुनाव प्रचार के दौरान कही थी, जो संकल्प पत्र में जो वादे हम लोगों ने किए थे, कल से उन वादों को भी पूरा करने की शुरुआत होने जा रही है।
ये एनडीए की सरकार है देश में, जो 20 साल बाद भी जनता का विश्वास जीतने में अपार समर्थन और आशीर्वाद मिला है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी और नीतीश कुमार के नेतृत्व को कांग्रेस पार्टी आज ऐसे श्रिंक कर गई है कि जितना बिहार में बीजेपी को मिला है पिछले 6 चुनाव में, उतने विधायक कांग्रेस के 6 राज्यों के 6 चुनाव में। फिर भी कांग्रेस की हैकड़ी नहीं जा रही है।